Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ABWN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday, so that's where the green line down here is coming from. But before I go any further, I do want to note that, yeah, from a presentation standpoint, this chart is now pretty tricky to talk about because it all boils down to what is your perspective. Meaning, if you're a day trader or flipper, whatever you want to call yourself, and you bought somewhere around there and you wanted to sell within 25 minutes after buying, then yeah, for you, the chart's looking pretty bad. Now, if you care about the big picture of things, yeah, I get it. The price has pulled back quite a bit from its highs. But from the big picture, the bulls do still have an opportunity to build a higher base. And as long as you have higher bases being built over longer periods of time, that's how long-term uptrends are constructed. I'm going to be talking about things from a big picture perspective. So if I sound crazy calling something bullish, my guess would be you just had more of probably a day trader type flipper perspective going into this. And in my mind, it all revolves around the green line down there at 0044. Now, I'm not saying this is going to happen, but just to kind of illustrate the point, let's say that this pullback continues, comes down here, behaves in that manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Emphasis on big picture. Well, from the big picture perspective, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have this set of lows right there. If you picture these as stair steps, then big picture wise, you'd still have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying that phrase, make progress, as 0044. Well, now, better yet, if the price can stay up above that purple line right there, that would be even better, because that would imply that, this stair step right here was formed, and then you'd have that stair step, and then that one right there. So these would be even a stronger set of stair steps. But again, big picture, even if it were to come down at 0044, those wouldn't be as strong of stair steps, but they would still be signs of progress in the upwards direction regardless. As far as resistance, not even close to being a top priority right now as far as the chart is currently at. I mean, it's all about now going through a healthy consolidation and making sure that this chart continue to build higher lows. So yeah, I don't know if it's going down to 0044, but if it does, that is definitely a level that you want to see hold strong. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.